DStv Premiership latest and breaking news. The club head coach Molefi Ntseki kept his cool and continued to field the winger, and the 30-year-old repaid his faith by scoring the 2 goals against Amazulu in the previous match on the weekend as Chiefs registered a convincing 3-0 victory to move up the log. Ntseki further explained that it's good for Pule mode that he has opened his goal scoring account for Chiefs, as that can only boost his confidence. It's been a tough start for him at the club, and things have been hectic, but he remains focused while also working hard. Mamelodi Sundowns coach Rulani Mokoena says their tactical setup, which Marcelo Allende and Abubakar Nasir are slowly being implemented in. Coach Rulani further explained that today's game with Kaizer Chiefs won't be an easy one, as both teams are looking forward to advance to the semis of the MTN 8, and both teams are on the winning mode. They can't afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.